Welcome back to Pearl Lemon SEO. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of pay-per-click advertising. PPC, or pay-per-click, is a powerful way to make money online. But it's not just about throwing money at ads and hoping for the best. It's about strategy. It's about understanding your audience, optimizing your keywords, and monitoring your ad performance. Use specific, targeted keywords to reach the right audience and maximize your ROI. Manage your budget wisely to get the most out of your PPC campaigns. Explore different platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and more to reach a wider audience. And most importantly, focus on conversions. After all, that's where the money is. So there you have it, a dynamic journey into the world of making money with PPC. If you found this video valuable, please give us a like. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily content from Pearl Lemon SEO. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.